back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you use the WPS button on Spectrum router. So here's a guide for your push button and pin pairing. Method 1. Connect using the physical push button method. Locate the physical WPS button on the back or side panel of your Spectrum router, often positioned near the Ethernet port or labeled with an icon of two arrows forming a circle. Press and hold the WPS button for exactly 3 seconds until the router's main status LED begins flashing a slow amber, orange, or blue pattern. Access your client device such as a wireless printer or Wi-Fi extender within a strict 2-minute window and select its internal WPS connect option. Leave both devices alone for 60 to 120 seconds while they exchange encrypted authorization tokens and lock in the password-free connection. Method 2. Enable WPS via the local web GUI dashboard. Open a desktop web browser while connected to your local network if your router's button is digitally locked. Enter your router's local gateway address, typically 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, into the browser's URL address bar. Type in the administrator credentials located on the factory sticker pasted onto the back interface of your hardware. Navigate to Advanced Settings, then select Wireless or Wi-Fi settings and locate the WPS configuration folder. Toggle the global WPS switch to enabled or on and click Save Changes to unlock the pairing system. Method 3. Sync devices via the 8-digit PIN setup. Log into the router's local web browser admin screen and select the WPS PIN method option. Locate the 8-digit hardware PIN code printed on the router specification label. Type this 8-digit code directly into your wireless printer or client device setup screen interface when prompted for connection credentials. You can alternatively copy the random client pin generated by your smart device and paste it directly into the matching client pin field inside your router's web admin panel, then click on Connect. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.